Good day once again. Welcome to our daily Taraki with Coach K. Okay, for today's episode, of course, we'll be talking about naman about goal setting and achievement. So, yung ito, strategies for setting meaningful goals and taking actionable steps towards achieving them. Disclaimer, this is only my point of view and these steps is actually ang tawag nito are made through yung dati kong ginagawa na acronym so that I could easily remember them and mas madali ko siyang anong tawag doon magawa kumbaga. Okay, so going back, goal setting and achievement. So ginawahan ko again ng acronym. So the word goals. So GOALS. Okay. So G muna tayo is when we are setting our goals, okay? G is it would give us or give us ano, it will gain we will gain knowledge from it, okay? Kapag ka kasi you're listing down all your goals in life, you will also see, okay, your skills, your talents, your intelligence, okay? Habang kasi sinusulat mo, of course, you're thinking about yourself, what you can do, yung mga ganon. But of course, yung sinasabi natin na hindi nyo pa kaya, okay? Always remember that this knowledge, these skills or talents, you could learn them. So, pag sinasabi natin na I cannot do it, okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, stop na talaga. Pero if we can say na I cannot do it yet, so ibig sabihin there's a chance for us to learn these things and of course, yun nga, going back, gain knowledge from it. Okay? And then of course, O, it opens opportunities. Once we set our goals to something, lalo if this is for us na sinasabi or this is our destiny, our mission, definitely opportunities are kumbaga it's already there. Lagi mo siyang mamimit every now and then. So as much as possible, if you will now list down all your goals, okay, alam nyo na rin kung anong opportunities ang darating. Okay, just grab them as much as you can. Kasi we always say that opportunities knocks once. Pero when you have a goal in life kasi, nothing is impossible. Okay? And then A is it allows you to be productive. So if you have goal every now and then, if you have priorities or parang yung ginagawa ko, yung mga to-do list in a day, you know that at this moment you are doing something productive or doing something important at the moment. I'm not saying naman na if you would rather rest at the moment, hindi ko naman sinasabi na you are not productive. Because we always remember also in goal setting or achievements, meron talagang days or parts dyan na we really need to rest, to rejuvenate, and be ready for the next days, sabi nga natin. Okay, so L naman is it leaves us with lessons. Of course, sa goal settings natin, lalo kapag we're into already that process of really achieving our goals, meron at meron mga challenges na ma-experience. However, these challenges would give us, of course, lessons in life that it will also give us some path para doon sa ating mga goals. Kasi sabi nga natin, if yung mga goals natin, yung mga na-set natin na goals, kung gustong gusto mo kasi talaga siya, you will do anything for for it to be achieved, 'di ba? Yung lagi nilang sinasabi na kung gusto may paraan, pero kung ayaw maraming dahilan, yung mga ganon. So, I know that for the moment, may mga na-experience ng mga challenges lalo pag meeting our goals. Like for example, kung student ka, kasi na-try ko rin yun yung I'm putting my list or to-do list or yung mga subjects already na iti-take ko per sem. There was one time talaga na um, bumagsak tayo sa isang subject. Okay? So, yun, it's a life lesson na ano talaga, you really have to focus on your goals if you really want to achieve something. Okay? Kung gusto mo talaga mag-graduate, magpursige, parang ganon. Okay? As students. And of course, as working naman, if you are aiming for promotion or for permanency, tama ba yun? For your work, of course, there are a lot of challenges. Isa na doon siguro is going out our comfort zones. Kasi, syempre, if you are starting in your work, definitely, medyo nag-a-adjust pa siguro yung katawan mo. However, if you enjoy your work, okay, medyo magaan lang siya. Yan. And then S, of course, your goals should be smart. Okay, alam natin ang SMART, no? So, it should be specific, measurable, attainable, ano ulit yung R? Reasonable, okay, and time-bound. Of course, if you have your goals kasi, pag very broad kasi siya, you cannot, ang tawag doon, put into small pieces yung mga steps that you should take. So, pag specific or specified na kasi siya, it would be easier for you to plan ahead kung paano mo i-achieve yung goal. Kapag ka measurable naman, of course, you would give yourself a, kumbaga, time and measurable, parang ipag-isa na lang natin na you will give years or months for yourself for you to achieve a certain goal. In that case kasi, kapag meron tayong sinusunod na parang time or dapat measurable kasi siya, mas nagiging motivated to achieve the goal. Kasi nga, we're planning to, kunyari sa studies, you're planning to graduate a 4-year course na within talaga yung 4 years na yon. So, magpupursige ka talaga na you will meet the deadline. Okay? And then, of course, pag achievable, like what I've said earlier when you started to list down your goals, nare-realize mo dyan yung mga skills mo, yung mga talents mo, your intelligence, and things that you still need to do, and yung mga pwede nyo pa palang gawin. Okay? And then of course, reasonable. When it comes to reasonable siguro is that ang tawag nito, you have to make sure that the goals that you are setting, aside yung sa specific kanina, no? Pag sinabi kasi natin na reasonable, you should know kung ano ba talaga yung para sa'yo. Parang ganon. Like, parang sa akin, siguro hindi ko naman ilalagay na goal ang pagiging doktor. Kasi nga, knowing myself, takot naman ako sa dugo. So, hindi siya reasonable. Why will I put that as one of my goals? Parang ganon. So, when it comes to your goals, I know that somehow, okay, lalo ngayong generation, kasi pag tinatanong ko yung mga estudyante ko, sometimes yung mga goals nyo in life, okay? Yung iba nakakasagot, pero yung iba sabi nila, ma'am, YOLO. You only live once, sabi nila. So, parang hindi nila pa mabigyan yung sarili nila ng path for a goal setting or achievement type. Pero, kasi, as we grow older, parang nagiging seryoso tayo sa life. na every now and then talagang dapat may goals na. Pero sa mga generation of today, ano na, syempre one of the advices that we can give you is achieve a goal and set a goal for you kasi we're not getting any younger, sabi nga nila. So, mahirap rin kasi na sana nung, 'di ba, yung ganun na attitude natin na sana nung 20 years old ako or sana nung 15, mga ganyan. Nag-ipon sana ako, yung mga ganyan. So, it's better for you to have goals right now. Okay? Seryosohin nyo naman kahit papano kasi that would definitely give you success in the future. So, once again, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe Taraki TV and in my Facebook page, Coach Karen Sebio. See you again next episode. Bye!